Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make thumbnails in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you will be needing first to do is to open your project and to add your own media or footages into the timeline so we can export the project. So basically you can create a new project by going to File, New Projects, and you can then choose the aspect ratio. So basically here I just have this project here, and now we can choose any stock media or you can add whatever you like. So I'm just going for the stock media here, and basically now we have our project. So all I need to do now is to simply go to export, and basically here you will find many things. So you will have these export settings and the device, social media, DVD, and those all do not matter. What matters here is to go to your thumbnail, and basically this is the thumbnail page or the thumbnail menu, and you will need just to click on edit. And basically this is the current thumbnail. That means there is no thumbnail here, and basically you can start choosing your time frame from the video, or you can simply add another a totally another picture. So we need just to click on add the picture, and you can add any picture that you have or that you'd like to add, and then you will need just to click on edit, and basically the location which we choose, and you will click on save, and basically you will start having your thumbnail. And basically you will need like to add the thumbnail to the beginning, of course, and basically it will be showing us the first frame of your uh, video. And basically this is how you can add the thumbnail on Filmora. Thank you for watching and see you next time.